So if your phone has cellular update failed, your iPhone cannot make and receive calls or access cellular data until it has been updated. It's usually going to say up here, it's going to have no service. So I'm going to go through the steps to show you guys what to do. So what you're going to do is you're going to unlock the phone. As you unlock it, you're going to go to Settings, to General. You're going to scroll all the way down to Reset. So when you get here, you're going to reset network settings. Enter your passcode, and it's going to say, this will delete all network settings, returning them to factory default. So you're going to reset, and it's going to restart or whatever.
And that's the first way to help it. I'm going to try the second way in a minute. So as that's turning on, we're going to wait.
Going to reboot your phone. So that's what you're going to do. Reboot it. Going to reboot the phone. Click the home and the lock. Keep it clicked even when it turns off. There you go. You're going to reboot it. This is another way to do it. So as it's searching, you're going to go to Settings, Cellular, turn cellular data off, then back on, and then here, turn data roaming on, then off. You see how it says no service here at the top? Right there. So if that doesn't work, we're going to try and do another way. So I've seen this on Twitter. What you do is you're going to get something little. Now you're going to try and open this. Then it's going to automatically say no SIM. So you're going to put it back in. Put the SIM card back in here. As it says searching. Oh man. Okay. Bruh. I'm gonna fight everybody, bro. Okay, put it back in. So hopefully that works. Okay, another way to try and see if it works is turning the airplane mode on, and then off. And that's pretty much all I have for you guys.